Hello everyone, I'm Ajit and I welcome you all to my channel Skill Double. Let's assume that your boss have asked you to extract the first name and the last name from the given list of email IDs. So there are 10 email IDs from which you have to do this. It is going to take a lot of time if you're going to do it manually. And as of now in this example, there's only 10. But what if in the real world scenario, it is 50, 100 or 200 number of email IDs? So do not worry, we have a function called as flash fill. It seems like it's a name of a superhero, right? So this is one of the superhero function which Excel has, and we are going to understand it in this video. So let's start.
These are the email IDs that we have. Using it, we need to update the first name and last name in the respective column. We will do this in 3 steps. Step 1. Enter a sample. So in the line 1, we will enter the first name Ajit and last name Karuwinkle. Then we'll move on to step 2, that is click on Data tab. Once you click on Data tab, we'll move to step 3, that is click Flash Fill or use shortcut key Ctrl+E. Now you will see that Flash Fill function have auto-filled the data based on the sample that we entered. See, it's that easy to use the Flash Fill function. In order for you to understand more about this function, I will show you one more example. Let's assume I need comma at the end of the last name in this column. So I will enter sample, Karuwinkle and comma and then click autofill. Now you will see that it auto-populated the rest of the lines exactly the same way I entered the sample line. So autofill function can be used in n number of scenarios. I hope you got value from this video. If yes, then click on the like button. Also show your support by sharing and subscribing. I am Ajit Karuwinkle signing off for now. See you in the next video.